we discussed how to find out individual digits sum. Okay, so this is the for loop program to find out. In the same way, if at all you want to find out reverse number of a given number, this already we discussed, but anyway, once again we will discuss. So how to find out reverse number. Okay, so reverse number, same variable we need, number also we need, and remainder also we need. Okay, three variables. Okay, enter any number. Again, just you make it as empty since we are already entering. So right, so whenever you want implement, directly go with and while loop only, but I am showing you the way you can implement for also. But usually for I is equal to 1 we write like this, right? But here our variable is initialization variable is number itself, so that is we are writing outside this one. Let's me try in this way to initialize. Okay, so here I am writing scanner dot next, so means whatever you dynamically enter that will be assigned here. Okay, or you can write before that and you can make it as empty, yes, no, as option. And number greater than 0, and this is the updation part. Number every time it has to update, right? So one digit we have to remove. We are every time we are trying to access the last digit, so every time number should become except last digit, everything else we need to store into that number. Okay, so what else we need to do? We have remainder. Okay, always we need to find out the remainder. Next to reverse number is equal to reverse number into 10, so plus remainder. What is the remainder you are getting? That just you have to add it to here, remainder, that's it. After this one, updation part is here already. Number is equal to number by 10. So simply you can write reverse number is just you can reverse number you can display. Same thing while loop, whatever the logic we have written, the same thing. But after these two lines, this updation part also we have written after here in this place. Okay, in while loop. And the only condition in while loop, only this condition we specified, this part is before the for loop. Okay, before the while loop. Okay, so but now in for loop everything is within single line itself: initialization, condition checking, and updation. Okay, so this is reverse number. Okay, as we already discussed, let us assume we have entered a number as 123 is the number. Let us we have entered 123. Okay, so then it will check 123 greater than 0 or not. So when this line is executed, it will expect some input from keyboard. So let's assume I have entered 123 and press the enter button. So 123 will be stored into this number. Okay, then after storing that, immediately it will come here. It will check whether that 123 greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. Now our purpose is to access the one by one digit, right? So 123 percentage 10. So when you apply this one, number place is replaced with the number what you have entered. Okay, and percentage 10. So blindly you can write whatever the last digit that you have to write directly. So percentage 10 means you will get the last digit 3. This 3 will be stored into this remainder variable. Okay, now remainder has 3. When you come here, so what will happen? Reverse number means reverse number is already 0. Okay, into 10. So plus remainder is 3. So finally it becomes, so 0 into 10, 0 plus 3, it will become 3. So 3 will be stored into reverse number. So after storing this one, next it from this line, it will go to this updation part. This will happen, updation happens. So what will happen? Updation, so number is equal to here number by 10s, right? So number by 10 means you will get 12. Okay, 10 12s are right. Okay, so this 12 will be stored into this number variable. Okay, we are assigning to this number, right? So now number has become 12. Okay, so now it will come here, is 12 greater than 0? Yes, condition is true. Since condition is true, again it will come here, and now the number is 12 and percentage 10, whatever the last digit that you will get as 2. Then remainder will be assigned with 2 value. Okay, so now again already remainder earlier in previous step we have 3, so that is remainder value will be replaced with 3 into 10 plus what is the latest remainder is 2. Okay, now this 2, so 3 into 10 30. Okay, plus 2 32 will be the new result that will be stored into reverse number. Okay, after this one again it will go for updation, Now the number is 12. So 12 by 10. Okay. So now only you will get 1. Okay. So now 1 will be stored into this number. Okay. Now number value is 1. So is 1 greater than 0? Yes, condition is true. So now again 1 percentage 10. So 1 percentage 10, always it will give you 1 only. Okay. 1 will be stored into the remainder. Okay. Now reverse number into 10. Already reverse number 32 in previous step. Okay. So 32 into 10. Okay. So plus plus 1. This is hello. Just a minute. I am calling about a service that helps you get more job interviews. Yeah. So we got 321, right? Sorry, 321. So 320 plus 1, 321. Next, again, after this one, it will go here and execute. Okay. So next to 1 by 10. Oh, మనోడికి ఒకటి పెట్టేసి. Okay. రెండు పెట్టేసి నాకు ఒకటి చాలు. Okay. So 1 by 10. So 1 ఒకటి తిను. So then 1 by 10 means 0 only you will get. Okay. So except last digit, if everything is right. So when you have single digit, means there is nothing right, you will get 0. Okay. So now the number has become 0. 0 greater than 0 condition will be false. Okay. Then it will come out from the loop and reverse number is already 321 that will be displayed here. So this is how. So let me know if you have anyone has any doubt here. Okay. So reverse number, finding reverse number. That was 123 you enter. The result should be 321 you should get. Okay. So if I loop 3, right? So save as. Okay, all files for loop 3. Same logic only. While loop do will just uh, okay. cd slash okay clear. So java c for loop, sorry, loop 3 dot java. Okay. Compiled successfully. Java for loop 3. Okay. Enter any number 123. So reverse number is 321. You can enter any number. Okay. So 6543, right? So 3546 reverse number. So this is how you can find out a number is sorry, reverse number of a given number using for loop. Okay. In the same way, if at all you want to find out palindrome or not, if the given number is palindrome or not, suppose palindrome means 121 is there. So if the reverse number is also same, then it is a palindrome number, right? So what else I need here? Just only one thing. I need mm, number one. Okay, so I need to check original number and reverse number whether both are same or not. Okay, so now what I can do is number one comma, does it work? Or if it is getting confusion, just remove here. Okay, so write this here and assign that number to number one is equal to number. Why? Because see, finally what happened, number has become 0, then only we came out from the loop, right? Now what I want to do, reverse number, I want to check with the original number, but original number is finally becoming 0. So how can I compare that one with 0? So that is the reason why before performing these operations only, I am saving that value, okay, original value into some other variable. Okay, and finally number becomes 0. Then what I will check here, original number is already available in number one. So number one double equal to rev number. Okay, reverse number, and that's it, right? So reverse number and original number, if both are equal, then it is a palindrome number. Okay, right? So we need to find out the reverse number. We have to compare that reverse number with the original number. So if both are equal, it's palindrome, and if it is not equal, it's not a palindrome number. Okay, so that's it, very simple logic. Okay, so reverse. Okay, I don't want this one. So now original number is available in number one, right? Number one plus is a, sorry, is a palindrome. palindrome number. Okay, else is not a palindrome number, you have to write is not a palindrome number. That's it. So this is how. So original number becoming zero, that is the reason why I'm storing that value into that one. And why? Because to decide whether given number is palindrome or not, I am finding out the reverse number, but I need to check the reverse number with original number or not. But if you don't take this one, finally number becomes zero. Always at the end, and number always becomes zero. You don't have original value. So you cannot compare. Even you are comparing with zero with reverse number, always it will give you not palindrome, not palindrome. But that is the reason why we are trying to save that value into some other variable. Okay. Even number becomes zero also, no problem. Why? Because original value I have it in some other variable. Okay. So for loop 3, execute this one. 121 is palindrome, right? So okay, I have not compiled. Okay. Palindrome, it is changed. I saved it also, right? For loop 3 is a palindrome. Different output we are getting. Let me compile again. For loop 3.java. Again execute for loop 3. 121. So 121 is a palindrome number. Next, enter any other number. 123. The reverse number is 321, right? So 123 is not a palindrome number. Okay. So like this, you can find out palindrome. And let me know if you have anywhere you have any doubt here. So we already discussed in while loop, but still if you have or if you are unable to understand, then please let me know. If somewhere where you are unable to understand, if anybody from anybody, if you are unable to understand, just please let me know. We can discuss here. Okay, now so what exactly the issue is? If you are unable to get something, just nothing, just we are trying to find out reverse number and we are comparing with the original number. Okay, so this is for reverse number. Find out a reverse number of a given number. Okay, and if you want to find out whether given number is Armstrong number or not, Armstrong number I already told you, right? This also we discussed. 153 is an Armstrong number. So means Armstrong number means sum of cubes of individual digits of a given number is equal to same number, then that is an Armstrong number. Suppose 153 is there, one cube. One cube means 1 into 1 into 1 three times, and 5 into 5 into 5 into just okay, if you are confused, okay, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, next 3 into 3 into, okay, 3, 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, so this is and if you do this, then it will become sum. You need to add. Okay, each number you have to make it as cube and you have to add. If that sum is equal to this 153, means same number, then that is a sorry, Armstrong number. Okay, so can you try this one now?